Welcome back to my channel, Rebuilding the Shark Catamaran. In this video I purchased some lumber. We're going to look at the lumber and then I'm going to make the supports that hold the deck. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy it. And I hope you like and subscribe my videos. I bought 3 pieces of wood today. I bought a piece of Western red cedar at Menards, and I'm going to use that to repair the center boards. And I'm going to put that away for now, and we'll work on that a little later. And I bought a 10-foot piece of white ash, and I'm going to use that to make battens. I don't think I have enough, but that's the idea there. Then I bought a piece of white oak, and I'm going to make the pieces that hold the deck up out of white oak. They're pretty rotted, and I think I'm going to put the ash and the redwood away, and I'm going to work on this pieces of white oak on the center board. I bought 4/4 rough sawn. Then I have 4 of these pieces here that hold up the deck, and they're made out of aluminum. And they got a plug of wood in the end. I don't know how far in it goes. It looks like it goes in about a foot on each end. Maybe not even that. And my idea, I think, I'm going to take a strip of wood, glue it in all the way down, and then plug the ends up like it is, because it's rotted. And that aluminum just doesn't look like it would hold real well. So I think we're going to work on that and leave the holes go till I'm waiting for some paint and some primer and filler. And that'll be here Monday. So today I think I'm going to work on these pieces for the holding the deck up, the deck supports. I did order 2 sheets of marine plywood, 3/8 inch from Menards, and that should be here next week also, but I won't get to do anything with that for a while because I'm going to flip the holes over and do the deck, the plywood decks, before I put the wood deck down. But I'd like to get these deck supports made and painted and ready to put on. So let's do that today. The first thing I did with the white oak was run it through the planer and get it down to 3/4 of an inch, a little bit thicker than 3/4. I just ran it through my planer a couple times, and that took it down. It was originally 4/4 rough sawn white oak. After I ran it through the planer, I just took it and got one edge good, running it through the joiner. My shop's a little bit messy at this time. It's a little bit crowded, so I'm having trouble running stuff. I'm going to clean it up before I do a next in-shop video. I'll get it straightened up, try and get a little more room in there. I've been just throwing stuff down there as I've been working on the boat. It's just getting kind of crowded. So I ran it through the joiner, got one edge straight so I can take it over to the table saw. Then I set it up for 1.25 strips, and I just ran it through the table saw, cut it off 1.25, get enough strips to do all the pieces. 6 pieces, 4 sides, and then 2 that go against the hull. Cut them at 1.25, so that I ended up with strips 1.25 by 3/4, 13/16, somewhere in there. Then I cut them off to length. I believe it was 2 of them were 80 inches and the other 4 were 34.5. Ran them through the sander, And that's what they look like when I was done. There's the old ones, and they look a little bit better. And I put a coat of primer on there. And I'm going to paint them all up before I put them on. If you notice, there's a notch on them. That's where the plates go that bolt the two holes together when you unfold it. So we've got them ready to go. I'm going to put them on probably when I turn the hull over. I can do them afterwards.